Okay, so Rollercoin Season 17 Zodiac is coming to an end, and we can see that Season 18 Crypto Valhalla is now on the horizon. Today on That Techo Guy, I'll be discussing what new features we can expect in the new Season 18. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so an awesome new season is about to start. Season 18 Crypto Valhalla. Let's check out all the details. On my screen here, you can see the Rollercoin blog post that did come out yesterday at the time of recording this video. And here you can find all the details of what the new season will bring. So we can see daily and weekly quest updates. So prepare for new challenges each day as the quest board fills with tasks worthy of a true warrior. Every day you'll receive game-specific tasks and bonus quests to keep your mining goals fresh. So there'll be bonus quests now featuring 4 tasks, XP rewards for gold pass quests increase, and bonus quest rewards now focus only on XP and RLT, leaving behind the low value clutter, streamlined for better daily progression. Now, I was given a bit of information here on the daily and weekly quests and the gold pass and the free pass as well, which I will share with you right now as well, okay? So here you can see all the list of miners that there will be in this new season, both for the free pass and the gold pass, okay? As you can see in the sheet right here. The total number of levels there will be in the new season pass will be 50 levels. So there are going to be more levels in this season pass, but there will be more powerful miners that you will get as well. Like for example, in the gold pass, you can see many are 5 petahash here, okay? So we've got Helm of the Chosen, which is 5 petahash. Even from level 48 to level 50, you get Helm of the Chosen one after the other. Okay, when you do get the gold pass, obviously. Now, if you do have the free pass, there are still 2.5 petahash that you can get with the Trove of Yggdrasil. Okay, so you can get 2.5 petahash there and merge all of these together and get even more power. Okay, so this is going to be an epic season. Okay, so this is the list of rewards that you can get. Okay, I was told by the team that I could share it with you. So there you go. That's the free and the gold pass. Okay, now obviously for the gold pass you can pay in RLT or in crypto, but when you do pay in crypto you do get a special discount for paying in crypto. Just to add something as well, there is another tab here called quests, and this is how the quests will work. So you've got daily quests 1 to 6, okay? You'll be getting EXP rewards when you complete one of the daily quests. You've got like 10 EXP, 2, you've got another 7 EXP, 10 EXP, 7 EXP with 30 RST there as well. So it's pretty much very similar to what we're seeing at the moment. So for certain daily quests, you'll just get 10 EXP. For others, you'll get like 7 and 30 RST as well. If you have the gold pass, you'll get those extra daily quests with the gold pass, and you'll get another extra 12 EXP as well. And you also get the bonus pass. That's when you complete 4 daily quests. And you'll get a bonus of 15 EXP there as well. For the weekly quests, you can see here it's 70 EXP and 50 RST when you complete 8 weekly quests. When you complete 15 weekly quests, then you'll get 90 and 250 RST. You'll get 110 EXP and 400 RST when completing 22 quests. When you complete 30 quests, you'll get 150 EXP and 600 RST. And if you do the 10 RLT task wall weekly quest, then you'll get 150 EXP and 20 RLT. Okay, not RST, RLT for that one. Okay, so that is there as well in the new season for you to look forward to as well. So back to the blog post here, you can also see that there's going to be a season full of surprises with a brand new hamster which will join the game during the season. Huge event coming soon, so get ready for Resource Well. Wheel of Fortune integration with RollerTap. And tons of in-game activity, contests and surprises. So as you can see, during this season, we will have the RollerTap full integration. At the moment, you can connect your accounts with RollerTap, okay? It's very easy. Just go to the RollerTap app and just connect your account. I'll be putting out a video on that as well shortly. Okay, it's very easy to do, and you can just connect your Rollercoin account with RollerTap. But we'll soon be able to spend the Roller Community Coin tokens and spend those on the Wheel of Fortune, which will soon be in the game as well. So that's awesome. Season Pass mechanics, okay? So both Gold Pass and Autocomplete can now be purchased with any currency of your choice. There's going to be special discounts that I mentioned when purchasing the Season Pass with cryptocurrency. And the Get All Rewards option is now also available for RLT, which makes it even more flexible, okay? So that's great as well. You can see some of the Season Pass miners. Some of these I have already shown you in that sheet, okay? So they're there, Helm of Chosen, okay? The sheet that I did show you did contain all of the details, what rewards you will be getting for each and every level there, okay? So there it is. Again, okay, so going back, and we can see that some of these are actually single cell miners, which is great as well. Like the Hamguard here, for example, and Helm of the Chosen looks like a single cell miner. Okay, so that is great because you can put two on the same shelf next to each other and get more power as well and more miners in your room. Okay, Season Store update. These are the miners there will be in the Season Store. Very nice indeed, 25 petahash with the Crimson Draka right there as well. A more powerful Season Pass as well. Like I mentioned, it's going to feature 50 levels. The pass is longer, more rewarding, and better structured for progression. If you buy and fully complete 4 Season Passes, you'll be able to unlock Unreal versions of each season miner, and that will give you definitely a lot of power. Season Pass rewards also have been boosted to more value, more fun, and definitely more RLT. Okay, there's going to be a new case here called the British Museum case, and you can get these nice miners from this case, which were actually designed by the community. Okay, so thank you for that. Very nice miners there as well. We'll get the names of the miners shortly as well. Champions of the North. Big shout out to the top 3 in Rollercoin. Chang Leonard, unstoppable at first place, Hardy holding strong at number 2, and Garaflin pushing hard in 3rd place. Okay, so Crypto Valhalla season 18 is here. Okay, it's going to start in approximately 3 days. Be sure to spend all of your IRST before the season ends. Okay, if we go to the homepage here of Rollercoin, you do have reminders here. Spend your RST before season ends. There's another 3 days, 19 hours and 5 minutes remaining for the end of the season. So we should be seeing the new season start on Tuesday. Okay, so as you can see, this season is going to be themed around Vikings, so definitely looking forward to this one as well. And I will be sharing a link to that blog post as well, but you can always access the blog down here from the last icon on the Rollercoin homepage. Go to blog and you'll find all the articles that you need and all the blog posts that you need right there, including this one for season 18. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.